Hello Philippines and hello world. Welcome to a day in my life as an English tutor. This is my second day as an English tutor. Hindi na ako gagawin day 1, day 2 kasi bakla 6 months ko tong gagawin. Tapos day 1, day 2 ako. So a day in my life series na lang tayo. And here I am, nasa mismong place na ako. And ayan, nagpa-practice ako. Practice ng words or ng sentences na sinasabi namin before we start the lesson. And akala ko may mga videos na ako nung lessons ay nung while teaching. Pala wala masyado. Pasensya guys, pasensya. Baka mga 4th or 5th yun. Basta di na ako sure. Ang tagal na kasi. Tagal. Sobrang tanda. Later, you'll see some clips where I was teaching. Pero ito, sa specific video na to, maybe I was typing something, yung mga information, kineso.
Hello. Hi. Can you hear and see me clearly? Is my voice too low or just okay? So, my name is Teacher Janine. Hello, I'm Teacher Janine. Okay, how about you? What's your name? How are you? Are you doing well? Did you go to school? You have no classes today, so you're at home right now. Can you read this for me? What can you see in this picture? It is a fishing rod. Now, where do you think are they? I guess you're always on your phone. Oh, not always. Then that's good.
Ewan ko, parang feeling ko di ako silipot na student ko nito kasi panay lang ako waiting. Wala akong video na tinuturuan ko siya.
Masok ko ba? Wala sa kala.
I just realized na mukha pala akong galit kapag seryoso ako at may ginagawa. Madalas kasi nakakunod talaga yung noo ko or yung eyebrows ko sa lubong talaga kapag parang, ano? Bakit ganito? Parang ganon.
We are now done. Actually, kanina pa ako din sa classes ko, pero bukas off ko, Wednesday. Medyo fully booked, pero may mga sunod-sunod na classes na ako. And yeah, yun yung kailangan ko i-practice. Kasi hindi pa ako ganun bihasa. Personal. Sunod-sunod yung classes. Gabi na 11 ata eh. Or mag-11. Gabi talaga pinili ko. Gingay. Gamit talaga pinili ko kasi gusto ko magagawa ko to while studying. Kasi 6 months contract. Okay? 6 months contract din to. Ayun.